Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, this is a packing video. I'm going to show you how I'm going to manage our 5-day cruise with just this backpack by BackVac. No, we are not sponsored, but hey, if they want to, that'd be great. I can already tell you that I love this backpack. As a dad of 4 kids, all 6 and under, you get stuck with being a pack mule. You're pretty much carrying the stroller, carrying the bags, because guess what? The kids only want mom. As always, you offer to help somehow, but it doesn't matter. So you're just a pack mule. So this is going to help me put all of my stuff, all of this, it's going to go in that bag, even my cameras, even like this magnetic phone clip, all of it. Tablets, it'll hold my MacBook, the chargers. So here we go. We have a POV of what I'm doing with thanks to the Insta360 Go Ultra. I can see what I'm doing with the camera on my hat. So all right, we're gonna get the backpack. This right here, the vacuum seal. We have all of our Disney button downs. All of our shirts, all of our dress up shirts. We got our tanks. And some Disney Cruise Line shirts right there. Gym shorts just in case. We might do the 5K. Our shorts by, our swim trunks by Chubbies. 1 pair of khaki shorts. And socks and underwear. Okay. And then we're going to have to make sure that we zip this all the way up. Okay. Then we are going to get the vacuum that comes with the bag. Then we're going to let her eat. We have our passports in here, but there is a place where you can put your passports. Right here, we got TSA locks. We're gonna put our Hey Dudes. Yeah, we should. So I'm able to fit my Hey Dudes and my sandals in here. Burrito roll, my underwear, because I wasn't taking up space down here. So we're gonna toss our 2 hats. Then we are going to put our gimbal in here, our phone gimbal, magnetic charger. We also have booger wipes that we're going to pack because we have kids. I love this thing. This is our other portable charger. We got it charged to 95, but USB, the old iPhone, USB-C, whatever that one is. It's perfect for everything. Fans, chargers, tablets. Drop that bad boy in there too. And for showcase purposes, we're going to take the kids' tablet, put it in there, and my MacBook will go in there too. But if you look, it has all these for your chargers. And we're going to zip that back up. We need to put our little portable vacuum pump safe and sound. Put her right up top. There we go. Bam, that's not bad. That's not bad at all, guys. So, also, when you have, you do your Disney cruise, hopefully they send you the stuff in the mail. So we're going, our ship. We were a guaranteed room. So we have to write our number on here. Typically, it's already going to be written down, but these are your luggage tags. We are packing extremely light if you can't tell. Perfect. That's insane, guys. That's a 5-day cruise with 2 pairs of shoes in there. Honestly, about 10 outfits because I have some gym clothes and then my dress-up stuff for dinner, as in just regular Disney attire and some shorts. So 2 bags for a 5-day cruise. By the way, we have this. I'll put this bag, the link in the comments below. because my wife got this. I was like, well, what do we need this for? I'm a sucker for this because nice little crossbody. It's black and white, simple, nothing too girly. And I'm in just full dad mode when I'm wearing this thing. It's got some depth in here. Another little, so like for perspective, these are kids' headphones. Can fit both in there. No problem. It's been a long day, very long day. We're gonna finish the packing video with this bag.
Yes, we are.
That's right. And then we're gonna go to Nemo's Reef on the Disney Fantasy or the Aqua Lab.
I always know.
All right. Bucket hat. Wearing this hat, so that did help. But both camera cases. Okay. We are about to go swimming. And everything is accounted for. I already took out the electronics. If you would use this backpack, let me know. You could use my link and get it off of Amazon. I do get commission. I appreciate your support. And this could save you a pile of money in baggage fee. Definitely recommend. For 5 days, this backpack has me covered. So if you like this video, like and subscribe. Watch that video right here. And stay tuned for more.